Welcome back, guys, to JBADV. My name is Jacob. I want to welcome you all to today's video, and thank you so much to all of you who have subscribed now. That's what today's video is pretty much going to be. I'm just kind of putzing around now, leaving my mother's house. Fun time seeing her just for a little bit. She wanted to see me. I haven't seen her in like a couple weeks. But that's what today's video is pretty much going to be, guys. Just a short little video, me saying thank you. I can't believe it, but 50 of you guys subscribed to my channel. It may not seem like a lot to anybody else, but to me, that's a big deal. I initially started this YouTube channel thinking like, if 10 people like it, that's cool. If 10 people comment, that's cool. But no, we've already surpassed that, and we've hit 50, and I think we've actually gone a couple past that too, which is really awesome. So thank you so much, guys. You guys are making this an awesome community. I'm having a lot of good conversations with you guys, a lot of good feedback. And once again, this is probably a good time to say, if you have not, maybe think about subscribing. Subscribe, join us. And also, if you want to talk to me one-on-one, whether it be by voice or by chat, you could join my new Discord server that I posted in the last video, but it's down in the description, this one as well. So head on over there. That's a little bit of a nerdy section, you know what I mean? Discord's usually used just like team speak for like video gaming and stuff, but I'm a gamer at heart. So if you want to use that, I know how to use it. I set up a server over there. Join it. Talk to me. There's a couple other people already on there. We'd love to have you. Love to talk to you. Discuss things, what you've done, where you've gone, where you're from. Post up pictures. Post up pictures of what you got. I want to know what you guys ride. You know what I mean? Any tips, tricks? Post up your YouTube videos. I want to know what channels you guys have. I know I've been scrolling around. If you guys subscribe, I look at your stuff to see if you guys are also making videos and stuff, which is awesome, because that's what I want this to be. I want it to be a close-knit, nice, open community, which would be great. Now, which way should I go? Left or right? I went left. I went right before. You know what? Just because. Oh, I think I'm starting in like third here. Oops. Oh, well. It'll handle it. I'm light. It's good. Let's go this way. So anyway, like I said, I just want to say thank you to you guys. I was thinking about doing a 50 subscriber live stream, but I wasn't sure how many of you would actually appreciate that. If you guys want to see more live streams or any, well, I haven't done any yet, so if you guys want to see a live stream just to talk to me, questions and answers type thing, I've been getting a lot of random questions like, you know, the stickers on the bike, where I'm from, where I ride, what's done to the bike, so on and so forth. I also started to create a better description down below, so you'll find all my current modifications done to the bike down below. And I also tried to link to anything that I have. I tried to link to an Amazon link for you guys, so you guys can find it and order it up. Hopefully I put the right model numbers in there. Just double check, but I'm pretty sure I did some pretty good research. It should be all the right model numbers, unless they remove the listing or change the listing. I can't do anything about that, but so yeah, we're just putzing around the back roads. I mean, I was looking at some trails on the way here, some off to the side of the road and stuff. Man, they're so muddy right now. We just got downpouring of rain. There's just tons and tons of rain, and they're a little too muddy to be in right now, to be honest with you. I mean, we could go in them, but it's just going to be a sloppy mess. It's not honestly going to be that much fun, so that's why you guys haven't seen any trail videos. I want to go up in the trails, but if it doesn't rain for a couple days, maybe we'll try them out, you know what I mean? But I'm just putzing around in some back roads here. These roads are beautiful once the trees come in, you know? Pretty much just takes us around this big lake. So I'm just taking a scenic ride home. It's a lot of fun just putzing around, you know? No need to go out on the faster roads to have fun, you know? I like to stay here where it's, you know, 45, 50 miles an hour. Just cruise. Nothing wrong with this. It's a little chilly today, as you guys can see the clouds. It might rain on me, it might not. I did not bring my new gloves. I brought my other ones because when I left the house, it was sunny. And now it's like pretty overcast. It might rain on me, it might not. Who knows? It's pretty blue out that way though. So I don't know. But I have the jacket on. Once again, another impression of the jacket. It's warm. The wind is whipping right now. It is blowing against me really hard. And it's pushing me all over the place, actually. And I mean, a very minor amount is cutting through the jacket, but it is nice, man. My legs are toasty. Honestly, my chest is toasty too. I can just feel just a little bit of wind, probably the right amount of wind, to be honest with you, which shows it's breathable, which is good. But it was warmer when I left the house. Now it's just getting cold again. I don't know what's up with this weather, but this is why I ended up buying the jacket anyway. So we should have trail rides coming soon. Trail rides, that's what I'm hoping for. I miss them. I want to be in the dirt. I mean, I like cruising on the roads, but I want to be in the dirt. It just seems like everywhere I want to go is kind of closed up right now. Well, we all know why. So I got to stick to like the more well unknown trails, and those are just way too muddy right now. So soon, guys, soon. And that's why I wanted to make a thank you video, just let you guys know that I am recording. I'm trying to get some content out, even if it is like this, which is slightly boring. But I just wanted to let you guys know a big thanks, you know. I think we're gonna pull in over here and get some fuel. About half tank. $1.99. That's a good price. It's a really good price here in Pennsylvania. That's a really good price. Wow, truckers are busy. And a big thank you to all the truckers, you know. Big thank you to all you guys that are truck drivers, if you by any chance are watching my vlogs. Without you, this country would shut down right now. It would not be a good situation. I feel like I should probably tell you guys, no, I didn't put regular in it. To be honest with you, it was $2.59. $2.59 for premium. 93. What are you guys paying for fuel? That's a good question to ask you to throw down in the comments below. Where are you from? What are you paying for fuel right now in a time like this? The world's going crazy. Let me know. Oh, I just kicked the diesel pump. My bad, diesel pump. But yeah, let me know. I'm just interested. So we're gonna take this little scenic road here. This goes up over a mountain. Beautiful, actually. And there is some trails over here. I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to be on them though, so I'm not even gonna take the chance, to be honest with you, because I'm pretty sure that this is like a preserve land up here and stuff. So if you get caught, you're pretty much done. So I don't mess with that type of stuff, guys. I'm really looking for like nice, I don't know, like state forest trails. That's what I'm looking for. I know I've said it before on my channel, but there's a lot of you that are new. I am looking to go and explore the Bald Eagle State Forest here in Pennsylvania. And I'm looking to go out west to the, I hope I say this right, the Allegheny State Forest. Or actually, that's a national forest, the Allegheny National Forest. I think that's how you say it. Looks like there's a lot of nice trails out that way. Even if you got to get permits and stuff to ride them. I'm okay with that. Yeah, I know, like that's one of them. Yeah, see, posted. Oh, people are walking on it though. You know, that's what's crazy. Look how many posted signs, if you guys can see it. I mean, it's everywhere. Don't go there. And yet, you can see all the quad trails all around them. Even right here, there's a quad trail right there. People go up. Right here, see, someone's walking that. That would be fun. Actually, I don't see any posted signs there. That's actually pretty funny. There's no posted signs on that side of the road. So that's a maybe. But like this one, I know you're not supposed to be on. That's a walking trail specifically. There's a lot of stuff up here. And actually up here a little bit more on the right hand side, I think it's right around this corner. Gone there a couple times. Nope, maybe it's up a little bit more. Maybe I passed it already. It's it is the actual preserve where there's a lot of mountain biking trails and stuff, which is pretty cool. And I used to mountain bike them when I had my mountain bike. But I sold that. I'd like to get another one though. It's a lot of fun mountain biking. Really good workouts doing that. Ever since I sold that, I've kind of gotten to be a slug. and now I got a motor under me. But this is a lot of work too, getting it through the trails, as you guys know. It is. So this is kind of starting to get me fit. you guys can see that mountain shot right there. If you actually come up here at nighttime, you see all the lights. Once we get a little bit further, you'll see all the lights in the valley. It's beautiful. Cool view, really. Oh, it's right here? No. Yeah, right here. Yeah, there's a bunch of people there. So that's where people go to walk or mountain bike and stuff. It's good. This is probably the only thing you can do is be out in the woods right now, not at a park. Kind of keeping your distance in the woods. You, the trees. It's probably the best thing you could do right now, to be honest. I understand why they close parks down, because, you know, everybody will just hang out in one gazebo. That's not very safe. But, you know, on a hiking trail, I think you're good. Well, the sun is trying to come out right now, guys. Feels nice. Feels nice and toasty. What on earth is the National Guard doing down there? Or Army or something? Oh, they're unloading a Hummer. Well, that's comforting to know. The boring parts of traffic really make you think. I hate traffic. Does anybody else hate traffic? I hate traffic. I can't imagine you would like traffic. I wish I could just go down like the sidewalk. That'd be pretty cool. I'm a bike, right? Some type of bike. More and more traffic. Why is it so busy here right now? Should I try to find a workaround? Try to go around here? Because this is how it's going to be through the whole town. Maybe. Okay, so I think I figured out the traffic situation. Apparently there's just like cops parked everywhere, and that might be in relation to the fact that there was a Hummer before. I don't really know what's going on. I have no idea what's going on. I might just spin this around and take another road now just to get a little bit further down. Well, as I ride through the city here, guys, just wanted to say thanks again for watching. Really, I just wanted to make this video kind of quick. I don't have anything exciting going on right now, but I wanted to still make a video thanking all of you guys for helping me get over 50 subscribers. I have a feeling, I don't want to get too ahead of myself, but I have a feeling we'll hit 100 in no time, and that's amazing. And for one of them, I don't know what kind of big number it'd be, but I want to do some type of little giveaway to you guys, you know? It comes out of my own money, but I want to do something, maybe like a 13-tooth front sprocket for you guys or something, or a pair of nice Pro Taper grips, something like that. I haven't really decided yet, but something inexpensive but will help anybody out, you know? But I'd like to do that for the subscribers, maybe like 250 or something. We'll do something like that, I think. I've never done one before, but I'm sure I can figure out how to get it done. He was pulling out. I don't think that's a stop. Last time I checked, it's not. Only the traffic lights are, bud. But yeah, I just wanted to say thanks, guys. Really, that's just the premise here. You guys are awesome with your support. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I'm just going back to the house now, really just to edit this video. By the time you guys are watching this, actually I don't know what day it'll be. I'm kind of posting up on an irregular schedule. It's kind of when I have it, I post it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will catch you guys real soon. I promise you there will be some trail videos real soon. I can't wait. Hopefully this weekend, actually. It's supposed to be a beautiful weekend. I think it's supposed to be like 65 or 68. Mostly sunny. I don't know, I hope it's more sunny than it was today, because I think today was mainly supposed to be this. So, but yep, I will catch you guys real soon, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take it easy.